National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Garland County in central Arkansas, eastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, west central Hot Spring County in southwest Arkansas, northern Pike County in southwest Arkansas, northwestern Clark County in southwest Arkansas, until 7 p.m. At 6:17 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 5 miles south of Gap Mountain, or 8 miles north of Lake Greason. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Mount Ida, Lake Greason, Seger, Norman, Narrows Dam, Myers, Glenwood, Gap Mountain, Gap Creek Recreation Area, Daisy State Park, Amity, Welsh, Silver, Rossboro, Point Cedar, Lodi, Kirby. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for